Okay, tomorrow is D-Day. We're going to get this thing moved. It's not going to be that bad. There's some piping. Too close to the furnace. Can't get it out of the, can't get the blower out of there, so I need to make access for that. So I'm going to move it right over here. And we'll propress some stuff in, which will make it nice and easy. Got some new gas strip. This one here doesn't have a leg on it, but I do have a leg back there. So we're just going to add an extra one just to be on the safe side. But we'll put me an expansion tank in. Got all my parts from Supply House. It's going to be a good one. Hello again, YouTube. I did not catch any video of this install. I was too focused on trying to get it done. Use the propress, smaller one that I have from Vevor. Wasn't too dramatic. Everything, the machine worked perfect. Pressing all the fittings. I ordered all my parts from the Supply House. I'd run some longer gas line over, make it a little bit easier. New pressure relief valve. And I replumbed in some new stack pipe, some flue pipe. I do highly recommend Vevor. I think it's SL1930. ProPress. Worked perfect. I didn't get a chance to use the bigger one I had either. It was a little too big for this space. I probably could have done the ones right here off the top of the hot water tank, but I just didn't. I wanted just to get it done. I didn't have time to mess around that day. So yeah, highly recommended. SL1930 Vevor ProPress.